Hey, 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 beautiful people. Welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. You're here for Ipsy, aren't ya? Aren't ya? If you missed the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, go check that out. It's up on the channel. And we're going to see what's in the Glam Bag for the month of October. You get to pick one product out of 5. But they are sample size, deluxe size, mini size, fun size. Sometimes you get full size. So let's see what the bag looks like. Oh, I like it. Okay, so this is just matte black on this side with the Ipsy. We got a tassel. Oh, it's a spider. And it's a little spider web. Ooh, super cute. I like it, but I like the one from last year. Just saying. Anyway, this is 13 and some change now, but I'm loving the purple in here that I just noticed. So combined, you know, I don't know, but it's cute. Okay, so let's check our card. Sometimes it does have pricing on here. Yay, it does. So you pick one item and then the rest is a mystery, right? So I think this was my choice right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And let's see what they're pricing. This is a deluxe sample size. It's very cute packaging though. Giving me like retro vibes. So full size would be $29, and this is a deluxe magic touch concealer in the number 6, and I'm pretty sure this is the color. Let's try it. I like to use concealer, if you're new here, as my primer or my base for my eyeshadow looks, because I don't really do all of this. I know I'm supposed to, yay, but this was actually not my choice, so. But I would have picked this, and I think it did pop up, so let's see. I love the size. Ooh, this is new, doe foot. Okay, so let's just put a dab. That looks cool. This is good enough for me, so yeah, this would work. Ooh, a little, literally goes a long way. Like, I'm using it for both, and I don't even have like a brush or anything. I really wasn't prepared, but I wanted to try it out. So this would definitely work, and it's like already drying down. That's cool. Let's bring it under here, see what it does. But this would be an awesome base. And like, I clearly was not prepared because I didn't do my eyebrows, nothing. So if it looks like I'm wearing a mask, that's just concealer, but like, look at the difference already. So that's the shade 6. Let me show you what I did pick. It's this. It's It Cosmetics Beauty Sleep. Confidence in your beauty sleep. I have like so many of these, it's not even funny. But it really smells like a dream, and it's not showing, but it's purple tinted. Oh, it just smells amazing. My face is not clean, so I'm not going to use it. But I love this for like traveling. So this is deluxe sample, and it smells like lavender. Like, it really just smells so good. But a full size would be $54, and yes, I do have the full size. Okay, and next up is Feel Beauty. For some reason, I thought this was Fenty. Like, I was like, that's so weird. Not Fenty-like, but Feel. And it's 5 mLs. It's a vitamin E balm, deluxe sample size, but the full version would be $24. This is cool packaging. It's like that matte orange. So, let me see if it's sealed. Yep. Sealed. Gotta love that. So far, on a roll. All right, one of these, this one, I'm like, over these little palettes, but they're great for traveling, I'm sure. And they are very cute little quads, but they do consider this full size. So this is the Cella Blushing Rose eyeshadow palette, and actually this one says travel, but the full size is not much bigger than this anyway. Travel size, and it's $20. $20. Can you imagine? Like, you can really just go get an e.l.f. bite-size one for $3. It's pretty, but I'll just set that aside. It's cute. I mean, if you want to do simple, easy eyeshadow looks, traveling, going on vacation type of thing, don't want to worry about it. So this is awesome. This is e.l.f. e.l.f. Cosmetics Big Mood Mascara, and this is actually full size. I mean, I'm already happy about that. So it says 1 coat of this smooth, creamy mascara will fan out lashes, and it's full size for $7. That's awesome. This bag is valued over $50, so I've never tried e.l.f. Mascara. Have you? All right, so let's try it out. Big Mood. I'm gonna break this packaging. That's awful. So it is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. Yeah. So Big Mood is supposed to be mega volume and lifting. Hourglass brush. I don't think I'm a fan of the hourglass brush, but what I am a fan of is this purple. Okay. And it says Big Mood. We're going to try it out. Look at the wand. Oh, okay. So you can see hourglass shape. Let's get off the excess. I don't have a mirror. Yeah, see, this is why I don't like these brushes, because I'm clumsy about it. And I tried to get the excess off. So if you hear a puppy, don't mind her. All right, so let's get all the lashes. And it says wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle. I just want to see it before and after. Okay. I mean, for $7, it's a deal. e.l.f. has really good products, though. I was just saying, e.l.f. bite-size palettes, right? I don't even know why I'm putting this on, because I'm literally going to take it right off. So if you're seeing this video, I just did it like 20 minutes before you saw it. So, hey. Not bad for $7. I mean, do you really have to pay like $30 for mascara? Anyway, what do you guys think about this bag? I mean, it's really giving for that. Anyway, so we have the concealer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have a vitamin E balm. This awesome mascara, and it's in black. Yes. And then this It Cosmetics is a win, and I'm not thrilled about this little palette, but I think this is a great bag. I think it's a great bag. You have to let me know down in the comments if you're new here. Thanks. Come along for the ride. And what do you think about Ipsy? I'm like, on the Glam Bag Plus. I don't know. Like, do I need it? Subscribe if you're not, you know, just do all that great stuff. Leave me a comment, because I really do respond. And I do read them. So till the next time, guys, stay safe.